Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. We are going to start in 9 minutes. Let's like the stream so far. For those who are in it, I will see you all in a bit. All right. Good morning to those who joined. What up, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. We will start in 8 minutes. So far, we have 8 likes, 14 people. That's fantastic, fantastic stuff. Let's keep it going. Morning to those who have joined. What up, everybody? We will start in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See you in a bit. What up to those who have joined? Good morning, guys. Afternoon, evening here in Dubai. It's currently 5:27 p.m. We'll see you all in 3 minutes. Please make sure, guys, like the stream, but also put some questions and tickers in. The more questions and tickers you put in, the better the stream is, because that's how you learn, right, and understand and able to, you know, improve on your weaknesses, what you have in trading. Everyone has a weakness, right? And in my opinion, for something that you struggle with, there is no reason why you shouldn't ask me. I'm here to help you guys. All right, so ask away. Questions and then tickers as well. I will go through the Discord, Twitter, then Discord, and then I'll get to you guys. All right, so 3 minutes. At past, we will start. Morning all to everyone who just joined. 1 minute till we start. 1 minute until we start the live stream. All right, I will see you guys in a bit. All right, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Hello. Get the questions and tickets in. I will be with you guys in a few minutes. All right, I'm going to go through Twitter as normal. BBAI entry 750. Let me have a look. Probably not. BBAI, what's happening here? It's pushing back a bit. 30-minute demand zone like this. Yeah, so BBI needs a pullback. We all know that, right? Because this thing has run absolutely crazy. So right now we're heading in demand zone. So what we need is this to get lower into this demand zone. Probably around this $8 would be great. So this is BBI heading into demand zone. Every single question, I see it. I see all your questions. I promise I will get back to them. Okay, please just bear with me. And I will get to them once I start from the top and everyone's questions, and then I'll get to you guys. All right, so please don't spam it because it's just annoying. I'll just block you. Simple. All right. Just give me 1 second. Okay. What do we have here? We have BBAI. We have ASTS. Good luck. Going through, do you have any update or yesterday? Done this. AIFF, let's have a look at AIFF. AIFF is up 37%. This is a top gainer. I'll add it to my watch list. Fantastic, cool, exciting. I would enter if it breaks above 480. That's your high of day. So if it breaks 480, expect continuation to the upside. So AIFF, wait for 480 break to enter the trade. All right. You get 480, fantastic. If not, don't take the trade. All right. Has to break above. The candle has to break. If we have the candle like this, has to break above, entry, push up. That's it. Easy. All right. Easy, easy, easy. All right. Everybody get the questions in. Let me retweet this quickly. Everyone retweet that post as well. Cool. Retweeted. Right, let's go through AIFF. Yeah, AIFF, you are waiting for $4.80 to take your entry on that. You are not taking anything below. If you want to, go ahead. Good morning. What up? Lays, please. Lays. What's happening with Lays? Lays. This was my play that I gave yesterday. It was an extremely slow play in the Discord, but it hit all 3 targets, which was amazing. We pretty much nailed the entry. The issue is that it took so long for the volume to come in yesterday, which was kind of frustrating. I sold a break even, but people in the Discord who did hold, right? It obviously went to all 3 targets. We entered at 75. Yeah, 3.85 was where we entered. Expecting for continuation to the upside. Reason why we got in was because we had the break above. We retested this level. I saw it starting to push up, and then obviously it ran all the way to like 443, which was nice. This is my prediction. I still expect it to continue to go up, so we will see. We will see what happens with Lays. Lays prediction still valid. All right, still valid. SATL, what's happening here? SATL up 10%, $5. So we are obviously in a bullish trend, which is fantastic news. So right now we're at $5. I would wait for a candle to close above $5. So we have something like this. Here and here. Yeah, you're looking for $5. Your next key levels, I'll just give them out here. 4 hour, we have this 549, and then what's this high? 610. Yeah, 610 here. So these are your next 2 key levels. So I would wait for $5 break, but overall the chart is very bullish, should continue to go up. So Satel needs to close above $5. All right, hopefully it does for continuation to the upside, but it looks like a great chart. Probably a good swing as well, great swing as well. VHAT key levels are right here. Still good, still good. I'm not touching this thing. I don't care about it. But these are your key levels for those who are trading it. Good morning. LiPo looks good here. LiPo, yeah, it looks good. It's holding. I'm expecting a breakout. Definitely worth entries in my opinion. If you do, just make sure to have a stop loss. If you trade that stop loss, I cannot help you, unfortunately. All right. REKR, what's happening with this? REKR, nothing really. Overall trend, we are in a bearish trend now. We were bullish, but at the moment, bearish trend. You have a demand zone over here. So this is your situation on this trade. Yeah, so hopefully if it gets lower into this demand zone, looks good. So demand zone. If this gets lower into demand zone, that might be good for entries, but right now we'll just chill out on it. Wait for pullback to demand zone or close above downtrend, right? You have 2 options. Either pull back into demand zone, which is here, break above downtrend, which is here, here, wherever it is, right? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, what up, what up, what up? Okay, so Cecilia has asked a question. Please listen, everybody listen up, because a lot of new people ask these questions and I simply just ignore them, or sometimes I block them depending on my mood. When people ask, what is the price target? Cecilia, do you really think I know what stock a price will go to? Right, I'm just going to be honest and brutally honest. No one on this planet Earth knows, right? They don't know where a stock will go, what price. They can give you the key levels, they can give you their prediction, which is fine, but telling you a price target is not good. You should not be trading like that. Please remove that from your trading style, okay? So If you're asking for a price target, the best thing to do, and please do this moving forward if you want to learn and improve on your trading, have a 5% target and a 5% stop loss from your entry. It's as simple as that. That is it. All right. So please try and do that moving forward, because I really suggest that you should focus on something like that rather than trying to hold for these outrageous price targets. Okay, I'm a day trader. I'm a very conservative trader. So for me, I aim for realistic targets. Okay, so try do that moving forward. LITM, what's happening here? LITM, absolutely nothing on LITM. This is the most bearish stock I've seen in a very long time. So what you're looking for on this is clearly, right, a close above $1, or I would look for the safest entry on this and looking to buy the stock is only 113. If it breaks above 113, that's a good entry. Anything lower, I don't care, right? There are no entries unless 113 breaks. All right, I'm gonna make it as easy as that. You notice how simple and easy I make my trading and show you guys. It might be blunt and all these kind of things, but guys, that's how you learn. No entries unless 113. Look, this is how it looks. This box that you have here, right, all the way down to 0. Everything in the red is no entry. Everything above the white, entry. As simple as that. Don't ask and say, can I get in at 112? Can I get at $1? Can I get at 78 cents? No. 113 and above is your entry. Simple. Don't complicate it. 113 and a break is your entry point. If you're in now, cut it, move on and wait for 113. Easy. Lays, I've done lays, but I'll do it again here. This is it. Prediction to go up. That is my prediction. Good afternoon. What up? Don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, we have 122 people in here and we only have 39 likes. Please like up the stream. It costs you 0. Please. QBTS, what's happening? QBTS, there are no entries unless $7.11. We have QBTS, there are no entries unless $7.11. Okay, same thing as this. Anything below. So if you're going to ask me, is $7 good? Is $7.10 good? No, it's not. $7.11 is your entry point. Okay. CYN. 46% or 26% up. CYN, what's happening? Nothing on CYN. If it breaks above the downtrend, that is your entry point. If you're going to take an entry now, that is not what I'm trying to tell you. What I'm telling you is if the candle body closes above, it can be right here. It can be over here. It can even be all the way down here. I don't know where it will break. I wish I knew, because I would go and take out a loan right now, okay, for $1 billion gazillion million dollars. And then I would buy it. I don't know. But all I know is if it does close above this, then I will probably take my trade. It's as easy as that. Because if it closes above a resistance, there's a higher probability it will go up. That's it. Time frame, it doesn't matter. Who cares? I'm using the 5 minutes, so stick with the 5 minute. You can do this on the 4 hour, daily, weekly, 2 second, 1 second, 0.0001 second, whatever. What happens when companies merge? I'm not too sure. I don't trade fundamentals, but volume will be there, and that's when I'll trade. BHAT, I've done it. Here are your key levels. Screenshot it. Send it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, dog, cat, whoever. CYN, I've gone over that. Fubo, bleeding out. Fubo's down 1%. It's not really bleeding out, but still valid. Looks good. Yeah, as long as it holds this like 370 level, which is fine. As long as it holds here, it is still fine, right? If it goes below, then it's not good. So Fubo needs to hold this level. Big level here. Oshia is here. For me, there are no entries unless 2775. Close above here, you can take the entry. Your candle body. This is the body here, this yellow box. Clear as day. This is your candle wick. Clear as day. Closes above, you take the entry. If it doesn't close above, then you don't take the entry. entry, no entry, entry, no entry. I understand a lot of you guys join these streams and you know and you understand this, right? But there's a lot of people join every single day and don't understand, so I have to reiterate every single day. And it's also good for those who are still here because they will learn and understand it more and more. CNSP, you've broken out this downtrend. It's a bit of a choppy chart in my opinion. I don't like all these wicks. You have clean range if it breaks above this 0.12 like this. So 0.123 is maybe good entries because at the moment there's too many wicks. I don't know what's going on here, right? Decision here, rejection, rejection, too much rejection. Close above here, you have a lot of range to the upside. So CNSP, let's get this up here. CNSP, wait for close above 0.123. Right? Close above 0.123. MVIS, I like this stock. If this is the same one. Yeah, I like MVIS. I expect this to break out. It's a perfect chart. Bullish pennant, continuation pattern, continue from the uptrend to go up. Now we're also in a demand zone. Another confluence for it to go up. KULR, what's happening here? KULR Technologies. Let me have a look. KULR, wait for 275. 275 break, then you can take your entry. Do not take anything below, so not 277, not 272, not 273, not 274. 275 and above. Wait for close above 275 to enter. All right, everybody, like up the stream. We have 140 people in here. 60 likes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We can do it. PACB, what's happening here? PACB, overall the trend is bearish, so in my opinion I would avoid it. We have a trend here like this. That is your trend. Your trend is bearish, I'm afraid. All right, so let's see. We have PACB, current trend is bearish. Cool. Yep. Been risking 2% all these trades. My success rate been insane. They really risk to learn. That's the way. That is the way, my friend. That is the way. CYN, close above downtrend, you can take it. Or even a close above VWAP. That's what I would do. So I'd wait another 5 minutes for this to close above, or you can wait for it to just break above. It's up to you. I like to wait for confirmation personally. DRMA, what's happening with drama? Nothing on drama. There's zero volume on this. I don't see anything on this, unfortunately. Yeah, personally, I would just avoid this play. My button is stuck. Oh, there we go. We have fixed it. All good. Yeah, nothing on drama. I wouldn't even bother. AZTR. AZTR. Nothing on AZTR. Someone says ready for a breakout. I'm not too sure, maybe on a smaller time frame, but what I'm looking at right now, the chart is bearish. I wouldn't be touching it, so wait for 0.39. So AZTR, wait for 0.39 break to enter the trade. All right, that is all I would do. VSTE is here, 29%. Yeah, VST is still bearish, 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 downtrend. If it breaks above the downtrend, I would suggest to take an entry. Anything below the downtrend, just leave it. JG is pushing up. You have $15 to look for an entry. Other than that, nothing. VST still bearish. Yeah, just draw the trend line, guys. Just draw the trend. OGEN is running. OGN is moving. You have a resistance here. 0.3 is your resistance. Yeah, you can keep it on watch. I would say if it breaks the high, whatever that high is on the 5 minute. There's 0.325. Could look for entry on that. Sorry, no problem. Just trying to explain and help you, that's all. 120, yes, let's go. I'm conservative. BSTE, I've just gone over that. MGOL. MGOL is here, down 23%. There's nothing on it. If a stock's down 23%, doesn't matter. You're only looking for entries above 0.76. That's it. Nothing else. If it's at 0.6 or 0.599, you are not taking the trade. Why? Please do not join and take the trade if it's going to be below it. You are simply just taking stuff above, right? That's it. Above that, fantastic. Anything below, who cares? Why are you going to take it? It's bearish. CYN. 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 Still bearish. As I mentioned, I would wait for a 5 minute to close above VWAP. Your VWAP is right here. Close above that, entry. And anything else, nothing. Hey Tiger, what's good trading strategy for knowing when to get out while you're ahead of minimizing chance of missing out on more profits? Best way to do it is if you always sell too early, hold 90% and hold 5%. Or if you're in a position, let's say for instance you're in this trade now, say to yourself, okay, this is where I always sell 90% of it, hold 1 share, whatever you need to do, and then let the 1 share ride or 10%, whatever it is. I struggle as well. It's difficult, I know. That's what I would suggest. It's helped me a lot. AIOT. AIOT, overall trend is bullish. These are your key levels. 0.955, and then this one here, 1075. 1075 looks good. ADTX is running. ADTX has no entries unless 0.12. No entries unless 0.12. If you close above 0.12, then you can take the trade. If you take it below, I cannot help you. I'm sorry. First time watcher. Let's go. Meta. Meta, these are larger caps. I don't do large caps. Overall bullish. What did I tell you? Overall chart is bullish. RR, how's that sector doing? RR, nothing really on this, to be honest with you. I mean, if you wanted to, maybe entries above 322, but there's a lot of choppiness here. I would say the safest entries would be above this. What is that level? 355. That is what I would look for entries on this, because it's still in a bearish trend. So you don't want to be trading a bearish trend, because bearish trends mean that it's probably going to go down. So RR, wait for 355. All right. 355. STI, let me have a look. STI has a wick fill at 0.61. Wick fill just means there's a probability it can go and fill that wick. Wick fill to 0.6100. Looks good. When you say entries above X price, what time frame are you referring to? I like to use the 5 minute, but you can use whichever time frame you desire. You are in control. I use the 5 minute. That is what I trade on. ADTX, again, I will say it again, there is nothing on it. Maybe there's news coming because everyone's spamming me with it. There is nothing on this unless it breaks above 0.12. IINN. Bearish, 14% up. Maybe above 110 you could look for entries, but at the moment, I mean, you could take risky entries above $1. So $1 is here. Maybe 5 minute close above $1. You could look for an entry. Why $1? Because it's a psychological level. $1, 150, 250, 350, 450. So yeah, INN can wait for $1. Wait for $1 break to enter the trade. All right. $1 break to enter the trade. Okay, let's see. We've got 127 people in here. And we have 77 likes. Come on, guys. We can push the gas. Push the gas. VSTE. Everybody, if you're in VSTE, you should be cutting the play long time ago. If you're down more than 7%, cut the play and move on. All right? The stock is bearish. I don't know when it's going to reverse. So just cut it. RNAS. This is my prediction for RNAS to go up. And it looks like it's trying to go up. Do you ever give discount offers for your Discord group? No, we do not give discount groups ever in our Discord. We never, ever, ever, ever give discounts. Okay, we have limited spots each month. All right, so there are limited spots each month. If you click on the link to the Discord, you will be able to join it. If there are spots left, there are 1 month and 3 month tier offers. That's it. But we do not offer any discounts, promos, none of that stuff, unfortunately. Sorry. Sorry. Yes, Envis, I expect this to break out. It's a good stock setup right now. Yeah, bullish chart pattern. Expecting this to go to the upside. So we've had a bullish trend, as you can see, like this bullish trend. We are now going to do this. Hopefully, this is what we expect. You can type in a bullish pennant. And this is what we expect to happen on a bullish chart. Thanks for Envis. HNST. HNST is nothing on this HNST, unfortunately. HNST, you're in a downtrend. Yeah, nothing on HNST, unfortunately. SOUN, I like it. It's a bullish stock. I like it. That's all I'll tell you. These are long-term plays. So I don't care if it goes down to $4. It's a long-term setup. Don't get bagged. Get glad. Nobody went broke, but you are 100% correct. No, you do not go broke by taking profits. I would rather make $1 than lose $500. Tell you that much. PMAX. What's happening with PMAX? PMAX is extremely bearish. I'm not interested in something like this. This is too bearish for my liking, unfortunately. Sorry, I cannot help you with this. Maybe above 0.5, but yeah, I don't like a setup like this. Good morning. What's your take on IVVD? IVVD, this was down when I saw it last year. IVVD is very bearish, but you are heading into a demand zone. A demand zone is where buyers step in. This is good possible entries around this area. All right, that's what I would tell you. You then have BBAI. I've done this one already. In demand zone, maybe good entries if this holds here into open, probably around this level, $8. Oats, my name. INAB. What's happening with INAB? Oh, INAB, nothing on this, to be honest, right now. Key levels are broken there. Yeah, I would not trade this unless it breaks above VWAP, or personally, I would look for a break above 0.75. Above 0.75 will look good for entries. And Miss BHAT, will you be posting the Discord? If you put in the chart requests, I will do it, no problem. Yeah, Steve, if you put it in the Discord, just put... But I'm not trading it. I don't talk about it much because it's a pump and dump stock. I don't care about it, right? There's too much BS going on behind that stock. So I don't talk about it much in the Discord, if ever, because I don't want Discord members getting bagged and all this kind of crap with these stocks. So you ask in the chart requests, I have no issue of charting it there for you. Morning, SLXN. Is this reversing? If it gets a close above VWAP, you could look for an entry. Right now, I would just leave it though. SLXN, yeah. I would say above VWAP, you could look for an entry, but yeah, just keep on watch this, up 11%, so we'll see. We will see. The Discord prints money. Yeah, everybody makes money in the Discord. Woohoo. BFRG, nothing unless $4. So you have $4 here. If it breaks above $4, you can take the trade. Anything below, not interested. All right. AMD. AMD is bearish. We can see that it's bearish. Why? How can we see that it's bearish? Because it's in a downtrend. We are not interested in something that is in a downtrend. When will it break? I don't know. I wish I knew so I could take calls. All right, so AMD needs downtrend break. So you have to wait. Please do not take the trade on AMD yet. Join the Discord. If you listen to me, you will change your life. Yes, if you listen, you will learn and you will make money. If you don't listen, then you will not. You waste your time. Don't join the Discord if you're not going to listen. Or if you have a very tough time doing that, then don't listen. Or don't join. Alright. PLTR is bullish. I like it. Good setup. Very, very nice. Join the Discord. You'll see why discounts are not necessary. I'll cover the costs for the next 10 years. Let's go, Fig. Sue. AIFF. What's happening with this? AIFF. I would take an entry above 488. Anything below, not interested. Or 480, sorry. First 90 days. Note looks good. Yeah. It's a bullish chart. Expecting continuation to the upside on this stock today. We'll see. We will see. SGMT, what's happening here? SGMT has very low volume. Yeah, for me, I don't know. This is a difficult chart, bearish chart. So I don't like to trade something that is in a situation where it is going to come down. Yeah, this is your resistance here, 537. So wait for 537 to break. Then I would suggest that you can take an entry. So 537 and above. Entry. So SGMT, wait for 537 break above. Yeah, SGMT above 537. All right. Nvidia's closing the gap, I think. Filling the gap. Yeah, it looks good. Filling the gap, should continue to go up. But we have a lot of news this week. We have Fed Powell speaks at 10 a.m. Eastern, then we have CPI tomorrow, then we have PPI, and then we have core retail sales. So full packed week. Not fun at all. But who cares? I'm still going to trade. RGTI. RGTI is in a bullish pennant. We need to see if it can hold here. Otherwise it will come down. That is it. So we'll have to wait and see. Right, I'm going to go over my watch list and then I'll head into Discord. Guys, for those who joined, please make sure the people who join the Discord now, please do me a favor. Just read your Discord DM. I have sent you what you need to do. All right, that's it. You need to watch the intro video. Once you've done that, then you'll be all set. AIFF, wait for 480 break. Acon, not interested. I'm going to delete it. LiPo looks great. I like this, expecting this to push to the upside. VSTE, still bearish. Downtrend, nothing unless downtrend breaks. We are now under $1. All right, so we have Note. Note, I expect continuation. Watching for 185 break for entries. SOPA, larger time frame, looks good. Breakout, continuation. VSTE, just did that one. MGOL, deleted, don't care. INAB, not interested. BHAT, don't really care, to be honest with you. I'm not going to watch this at all. Oshia, this will be good above 2775. CYN, looks good. Broke above the downtrend. As I mentioned, when it closed above VWAP and the downtrend, this was a good entry point. So if you entered here and listened, well done. You made a nice little 9% and you can call it a day. All right. I hope you guys have a great day, morning, afternoon. Thank you for everyone who joined. We had a great stream. We had a lot of people today, which was nice. We go again tomorrow. I will share charts as we go. All right. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.